Alright sis, welcome back. So I'm going to show you guys how to achieve a full looking face without using any liquid foundation. So I'm starting off by priming my skin. I took my Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I want everything to grip onto my face today, especially since we're using powder. We want it to last throughout the day. So I just went in with that first. Next, we're going to go in to conceal our eyes. And I took my Fenty Bright Fix concealer. And we're just going to apply that right underneath the eyes just to conceal. And I just applied a small dot and took a brush today to blend that out. I find the brush gives me more of a coverage than using a damp sponge. So I just use my blending brush to blend that out. And yeah, we just want to get rid of our bags under our eyes and just make sure that we are looking awake. Next, I'm going to go ahead and just conceal any dark spots I have on my face. You guys know that's a step for me. And of course, I'm taking my CoverGirl Undercover Concealer. This is my perfect match. I've never found anything that matches as good as this concealer, guys. So of course, I'm going in with this just to conceal any dark spots on my face. And then again, I am taking the same brush and just blending that out. Alright, so moving on to highlighting our face. We're doing the same highlighting step, guys. So just highlighting underneath our eyes, forehead, nose, cupid's bow, and chin. We do want to just kind of brighten up the face and still make it look like a full face, but we are not using any liquid foundation. So I took my damp beauty sponge and just pretty much blend that out. Same step as if you're going in on top of your liquid foundation. However, you're just going on top of your skin. So just blending that out as normal. And I did choose a concealer that's still 2 to 3 shades lighter than my natural complexion, just as you would if you're doing a full face. Alright, so like we always do, we want to set our highlighted area. So I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. This is in medium deep, and I'm just pressing that into my skin. So I like to just dab it all the way in until it does disappear. So as you guys can see, I did it here. And I'm just going to do that for the rest of my highlighted spots where I just put the highlighting concealer. Alright, so we don't want to leave our face like this, so the main star is your face powder, guys, your powder foundation. I went in with my Fenty powder foundation in 420, and I'm going to do one side and just show you guys the difference and what this really does to the skin and how it just brings everything together. So I'm just taking a fluffy brush and just fluffing that all over my face. I do go over where I highlighted as well, just because we do want to blend everything together, make sure there's no harsh lines, and everything just comes together when you do this. So this is the side I just applied the powder on, guys, and this is it without. Do you see how that just brought everything together? So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side very quick. And just because I wanted my under eye to be a bit more brighter, I did go back in to my medium deep powder just to apply underneath my eyes. I do like a brighter eye, so if you guys do want a brighter eye, you can do this step. If not, you could have left it how I had it before, but this is just a personal preference. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and bronze or contour. I like to use this as a bronzer. It's not too deep of a shade, and that's just going to kind of bring back the dimension to my skin. I love when my cheekbones is kind of a bit popping, you know, so I apply that to my cheekbones, my forehead, my jawline, and of course my nose. And no word of a lie, guys, I completed this in, I think it was even less than 10 minutes. It's a very quick routine without packing on a lot of product, guys. So that's pretty much it. I applied my lashes off camera. So that's it. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just apply some mascara to my bottom lashes. Alright, and then for lips, I just went in with my Essence lip oil. I didn't do the most today. I just wanted to do a very natural, everyday, out the door look where you still look put together, you still look cute. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face, make sure that everything is set and ready to go. And that's pretty much it for this look, guys. Less than 10 minutes, I would say. Very quick, easy, and it looks like a full face, guys. It looks like I put on foundation, but I didn't. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.